Good evening, all my subscribers all over the world. Good evening. I'm greeting you all my subscribers, all my viewers all over the world. Yeah. This is Master BCM TV on YouTube. Master BCM TV on YouTube. Number one thing we have to do is to subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed before, can you see? This is a clipper blade. This is a clipper blade holder. Can you see it now? Watch. You see it? This is what they call clipper blade holder. Clipper blade holder. You can use it to sharpen an electric clipper blade sharpening machine that is sharper. You see the blade? Watch carefully. You see it? Clipper blade holder. You see it? You see how it's collecting the thing from my hand? Collecting the blade from my hand. Yeah. If you have been watching my program since you've been following me or you have just subscribed, it is only one time. We subscribe to Master BCM TV only one time, not more than one. Our notification, pressing of the notification bell is only one time. It is only one time, not two times. Once you have subscribed to Master BCM TV YouTube channel, once you have pressed the notification button, it is only one time, not two. Then if you are watching my program since you have not subscribed, or you are a lucky one now, you just have the luck to see this new video, or you see any of my video, look under by the right hand side, look down part of it, you see where they write subscribe. 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 Use your finger just to press it like this. It will now change to subscribe. SUBSCRIBED with notification bell beside that D. Use your finger to press that notification bell again. It will now change to 3 bell option. Arrange from up, come down. You press the topmost one, the one at the top. Painted white color in some phones, painted black color in some phones. You press it. The right ALL beside it, which means you have taken the notification. The moment I'm on live, the moment I post video, I post shorts, I post live, people comment, reply to comment, you are the number one to be seen there. To see my live stream, to see my video, to see my short, you are going to be the number one to be seeing it. You will not even worry yourself. If your phone is on like this, the notification will come directly into your screen. You will see it. Possibly it may open itself. And when you are not, when your phone is not on, maybe you are charging it or intentionally off it, immediately you off it like this, your phone on, boost and on, you are going to see the notification immediately. That is the advantage of subscribe and notification. You will not be worrying yourself at all. You just feel relaxed. Either you on your phone, you are going to see it. Either you off it, you are going to see it. It's compulsory. And it's free of charge. YouTube will not charge you any amount for subscribe and notification, pressing of the notification button. It's free of charge. It is you that are going to be getting the advantages. Yeah. Then for subscribe, you have gotten the opportunity to go back to the channel. Yeah, you can watch all the videos from A to Z. You can watch all the live stream from A to Z. You can watch all my video shorts from A to Z. You can read comments, how to comment, see new comment. You can reply to comments, etc., etc. Different of things you can do on the YouTube channel. If you just subscribe, press the notification button, you get the opportunity to do all. It's an advantage. That is why I always shout, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, so press the notification button. Don't forget the notification button when you subscribe finish. Very, very important. You are going to gain it. There are some people now be asking, is Master BCM TV on live? It's because he or she did not subscribe. And if you subscribe, you don't press the notification button, you will not be seeing the new videos, new shorts, new live, new comments, reply to new comments. You will not see all until you click onto the YouTube, you search for my channel, you will not be seeing them. But when you subscribe, you press the notification button, you don't need to worry yourself. They will come by themselves, free of charge for you. Yeah. So let us subscribe now before we go. This stream you are watching, look under by the right hand side, under. You see where the right SBS BE. Use your finger to press it. It will not think to subscribe, SBS BED. Beside that D, you will see notification bell. Small, press it. The bell will now change to 3 bells. From up to down. The one at the topmost, number 1 at the top, painted white or black in some phones, color. Then the right AWL beside it. Press it, which means you have taken the notification. That is all. It's not more than that. It's not more than that, too. It's not more than that. Moment you subscribe, you press the notification bell, the upper one, your mind is at rest. Leave the rest for God. Once I come on live, the notification will come to you. Either I inform you, I did not inform you. Nothing concerns your phone. It's going to come. You see it? That is why I always say, please subscribe. Subscribe. Even I can be begging you, please, in the name of God, subscribe. Because I want you to understand this tutorial very well. And if you are a professional before, you are still going to learn 1 or 2 things from my tutorial. You are going to gain. We watch videos to gain, to learn new ideas. Even the old ideas you see, you can be able to compare the old ideas. But in my own channel, there's no old ideas. All are correct. No, none of my film you will watch, you will blame yourself. No, you can't watch my videos and blame yourself. You need to be telling yourself, why shouldn't I have subscribed since? Be watching this one video. Yeah, valuable tutorials. Valuable tutorials. Let me on the fan. The heat is getting nearer again. The heat. So let me put on the fan so that the camera self can enjoy breeze. I myself can enjoy breeze. Tonight now we are going to deal with how to sharpen clipper blade with your plain glass. You know, I promise you, I must have to fulfill my promise. And the reason why I want to give out this tutorial in details, the reason is that I will never deceive any of my subscribers. I will never deceive any of my followers. I will never deceive any of my viewers. I will continue saying the truth. If you like, you watch my program. If you don't like, you have it. It doesn't concern me, but I will always tell the truth. Before you can catch up, if you don't know anything about the sharpening of the stone before, using the super hard manner sharpening stone to sharpen clipper blade before, if you have never known it before, you can't just say you want to watch tutorial today and you want to know how to sharpen tomorrow. It's not possible. It's not possible. I don't need to deceive anybody. You see, sharpening of the clipper blade. Many things surrounded the sharpening of the clipper blade, sharpening of the. Let's forget about the stone self. Let's talk about the sharpening of the clipper blade alone. To say, assuming you have gotten already a correct stone, fashion out surface 1, you get like 50 pieces. If you want to learn how to sharpen on it with your thumb, you can still use clipper blade holder to sharpen on the stone. Possible. It's possible. It's possible, I'll tell you. This tutorial now, I will be giving you tutorial different types. They will never resemble. That is why I'm saying you need to subscribe. Even if I'm begging you, it's not too much. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. In the name of God, subscribe. Subscribe in the name of God, do subscribe, bro. Press the notification button. You are going to gain. I know what I'm saying. Yeah. You know, people watching the tutorial, some are complaining they have not get it right. Some are calling me, say they are trying little by little sharpening their own clipper blade. All are verified. All are good. You have to pass from learner to stage of master, from master to professional to real professional. That is how I arrange the title in my own studio here. Because you have 4 stages to go. Learner, that is number 1, you are learning it. When you are able to be sharpening your own, you are a master. When you can go far, sharpening fast a little, you are a professional. Professional, sharpening for yourself, sharpening for commercial, different type of people, you are a professional. Professional will still be getting little errors, but once in a blue moon. Yeah. And at times, when a professional is tired or thinking about something, mistake may come. But when you become a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, in fact, that is the highest rank in my studio here. When you can sharpen clippers, before you can become a real professional, you must know how to sharpen stone very well. You must know how to sharpen clipper blade very well with different styles, and you must know how to detect where the error, where there is error. What causes the error? How can you correct the error before you can become a real professional? You know everything about the sharpening of clipper blade, sharpening of the stone, maintenance of the stone, etc., etc. You can sharpen clipper blade in darkness when you become a real professional. You will sharpen clipper blade in darkness and you will test it is going to work. I'm telling you the truth to God Almighty. When you become a real professional, REAL space PROFESSIONEAL, real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade and the stones. You've understood many things about it. You have created your own ideas. In fact, to tell you sincerely, when you become a real professional, you have totally designed your own method in the stage I am now. Anything you see me saying about, any practical you see me practicalizing on this tutorial, any theory you see me fashioning out, any explanation you see me explaining to God Almighty, I form them by myself. I don't copy anybody. Not to copy somebody is bad. Let us be sincere. If you copy somebody, it's not bad. But when you know it's finished, try to create your own system so that it will be very easy for you not to get out of the road. You get pattern for your work. Once you get pattern, you cannot miss out of the road. If you want to go outside of the road, the steering will control you. If you are going by the right hand side, the alignment is bad, the steering will control you. You see it? So today, we are going to treat how to use clipper blade holder. This is one type of clipper blade holder to hold your clipper blade when you want to sharp. You see how you collected it from my hand? Watch carefully. You see it? You see it? This is the surface. This is magnetic area. You see it? You see it? You can see it. This is clipper blade holder. This is one type. You can see it. Let me pick another one again. I'm coming. This is another one again. Watch carefully. This is another type again. We have them different types, different types. I still want to go to market and buy another type again. You see it? You can see it. This one is double face. You use it for upper clipper blade. You can still use it for bottom clipper blade. You see it like this? Very, very strong. You see? It's magnetic clipper blade holder. You see it? Very, very powerful. You see it? Very, very powerful. You see it? Very, very powerful. Then I'll still show you another type again, another one. This is another one again. Triple surface. You see it? You see it? I collected it from my hand. You see it? This is another type again. I'm just showing you there are many, more than 1,000 different types. You can form it on your whole self when you know where to get the materials. You can form it. And it's going to be very effective, working perfectly. You see it? So the reason is that I'll be showing you this thing. I don't want to rush. I don't want to rush. And I'll be giving you details in anything I'm talking about so that the next time you see it, you can be able to identify it or recognize it very well. You can be able to know the work it's doing. Yeah, how they are using it, you can be able to know. You see it. This one is for bottom clipper blade. You can still use it for upper, but it's mostly for bottom clipper blade. You see it. I'm coming. These are clipper blades. You see them? They have them different types. So today now, we are going to use this one, this magnetic clipper blade holder. This one is multi-purpose. It can hold the bottom clipper blade. It can hold the upper clipper blade too. Likewise, the rest too, depending on the one you want to be using it for. You see it? So our tutorial for today is how to sharpen clipper blade on the glass. I'll show you the glass when we get to the workshop. On the plain glass, it may be white, it may be colored. It may be white, it may be colored, but the one that is good best white, colorless, so that you can be able to see your materials on the surface very well. So if you don't get white, you can get tinted. You can get any color. You can get blue. You can get red. So far it is plain glass. It's going to work for you. Only say the white is okay. That stainless is okay. That one is okay. So that when you apply anything on the surface, you are going to see it fully. And you are going to see the real color. The real color of the materials you apply on the surface. You are going to see it. You are going to see it. So the reason why I want to give out this tutorial is for learners. Many people have been following me, though I don't know, but I just think it. And some people used to call me sometimes. They've been watching my tutorial since, they've been practicing since, brain are not equal. The way God created us are not equal. They are not be able to sharpen clipper blades themselves. There was one boy one man that called me from Ghana. He's a young man. He said where he used to go and sharpen clipper blades in the village that is working is about 3 villages again. And when he's going along the road, there's one area there is normally hold up that's going to cross to that village. It is the hold up that used to waste his time. Many times he go there. When he go in the morning, he says likely to come back around 4 o'clock in the night or 5. Can you see the stretch? Because of the sharpening of the clipper blade. And you cannot just say because this is the major thing, clipper. Yeah, if this one is not good, you don't have clipper. If the clipper blade is not sharpened correctly, you'll be suffering yourself in working. The work you'll be giving out, your mind will not be happy. You may not even see to work again at all, at times. So you cannot just say common thing. It's not common. You see it? That glass method now, you can use it to sharpen your clipper blade. Your own personal one, you can use it to sharpen it. And I will explain for you before we go to the sharpening studio. I will explain it better for you so that I can be able to understand it before we go there. Any clipper blade you want to use it for, you will buy new clipper or you buy new clipper blade for this system. If you want to be doing it successfully, if you want to be doing it without failing, anytime you make attempt, it's going to work for you. If you are using about 10 clippers in your shop and you want to sharpen it for the 10 clippers, you have to put new blades on them. New blades up and bottom clipper blade, the set of clipper blade new. Or you buy new clippers. You'll be using it for that method I want to teach you. You cannot be using it for the type of blade they bring to me here. I used to say the packaging. I've shown you inside one tutorial. I've shown you how the packaging is. You cannot use it to sharpen the packaging blade. The blade has been used for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. You cannot use it to sharpen it unless you want to use almost a year there before you finish it. So you go and buy new clipper blades if you don't have money to buy new one. I mean the new clipper. Or in your shop, you may specialize one clipper or two, or at least two. Let us take it two clippers. You specialize it using the glass method to sharpen it or to sharpen them. At worst, if you specialize one clipper for it, that clipper must be new clipper, or old one working like new one, just to say new clipper blade and the new engine. You buy at least one. Then you now buy the materials I want to teach you tonight. You'll be using that glass method to sharpen that new clipper. Don't use it for the whole blade. If you use condemn, it will waste your time. It will not be even sharp at all, I'm telling you. Before you can sharp, it will take you a year. Because the style is not fast. But when you practice, just for only one day, you are going to get it right. Only one day, I promise you. No matter how dull the person is, one day you must have to get it. Just book it 12 hours. Either you do it in the night when you close, you practice it, you get it right. Or you do it during the day. When you are less busy, you enter. When you are less busy, you enter. When you are less busy, you enter. If you can get chance to sit down like at least 4 hours, you are going to get it right. So from there, that new clipper engine and the blade you bought because of it. New clipper blade is a new engine is okay. New clipper, just say buy new clipper if you want to enjoy the work very well. Because some clippers now the mouth is not good. They will be repackaging it. So it's better you buy new clipper engine with new blades. So when you use it, you use the glass method to sharpen it. It won't take much of your time. Yeah. Then I will first, before I tell you before we show the materials, I will say the materials out here before we go. But before we talk into it, I want to tell you the type of clipper blade, how you're going to use it. The type you can be placing on the glass for sharpening. The clipper blade, the engine you buy new, maybe 5 days ago, 5 days ago, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, yesterday, you've been using it almost 5 days ago now, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 days. When you use that method to sharpen it, when you buy it new, yes, for the first time, don't use it more than a week. Don't use it more than a week. Try to understand it very well. Don't use it more than a week. A week is even too much. When you use it like 5 days, if you get enough work to do in the shop, I mean for commercial, professional barbers who barb different type of haircuts almost every day, like 20 people, 30 people, 40 people. When you use it for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, highest 5 days, you remove the clipper blade. You clean it very well. Then you put it on the glass for sharpening. It's not going to waste your time and it's going to sharpen correctly. No matter how, you must be able to sharpen it once you get the materials. It can't last you more than 4 hours before you get it right. It can't be more than 4 hours. Yeah, I can see the comments. I can't read this language very well, but I greet you. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, please let me share the video. I've forgotten today. Please, my fellow friends, I beg you, my fellow fathers, mothers, sisters, my friends, etc., my fellow Baba stylists, Baba engineer, the whole public, engineer, doctors, nurse, businessmen, artisans watching my program. Please help me share the video out. Please, in the name of God. I've forgotten. I've forgotten totally. You see my hand? I'm begging in the name of Almighty God. Do I've shared it a little. The YouTube doesn't allow me to share plenty. When you share on Facebook, now they block you. When you share on this one, you cannot be more than 5. You share to 5 places. So please let me share the video so that many people can enjoy the tutorial very well. So the clipper, you buy new clipper for it, new one. Then when you are using your clipper, try to be applying oil from time to time. Try to be applying oil from time to time. In my environment here, I will tell you what many people are doing. Some people use only kerosene as oil. When you use only kerosene, no matter how dull your clipper blade is, it's going to work. But when it runs, it won't take a long time, it will run down again. You apply another one, that's how they'll be using it. But before using it for 1 day or 2 days, the upper clipper blade is going to be drilling hole on the surface of inner blade. That is the problem in using only kerosene. I've practiced it. When you are using yellow kerosene for lubricant, you are going to spoil the inner surface of the blade. So don't use kerosene. You use your correct oil, clipper oil, for that clipper you want to be using to sharpen glass. Use correct clipper oil. Be like water like this. It's in the barbing salon here. It's just too far away, a little. But if I get time, I can bring it. Clipper oil is just like water. Even if you don't know it before, they put it on the ground, thinks it's under the water. That is the type of oil you are going to be using for that clipper. Because I will explain everything for you. That is the type of oil, original clipper oil. Original is too cost, but you buy it, just little, be using it. So when you use it you buy it today, you use it today for morning till evening, maybe you work in the night, second day, third day, fourth day, highest 5 days. At least you have used it to barber about 100 heads, 100 customers. You see it, you remove it. Don't let it stay long. Don't let it stay long. The moment you discover that the clipper, no matter if you use clipper blade very well, within 2 or 3 days, the work is going to change a little. The way it's sharpened before, very fast before, it will reduce a little. When you just see that sign, you remove it. You clean it, then you use glass method to sharpen it. It's not going to take you more than 1 hour, just to say 2 hours as a learner. But when you continue to do it, you will not know the time you master it. And how you are going to check whether it has been sharpened correctly, I will show you. So the materials to get, number one thing is magnetic clipper blade holder. You must get this one. I'll show you there are many different shades, different color. All are good. So you look for magnetic clipper blade holder to hold your clipper blade. Then you look for glass, plain glass. Let me bring one here for you to see. How do I want to position it for you to see clearly? You see the glass? This is the area I'm using. You can see where you see the hair, that black area. You can see it in form of circle. That is the area I'm using for sharpening. You see it? This is the glass. It's long. So I don't like to be taking it anyhow because of breaking. Let me return it back. It's very, very fragile. Any small thing like this, it will just break. You see it? So you look for magnetic clipper blade holder. That is number one. You look for glass. That is number two. Then you find new oil. Let me be taking them one by one for you. Yeah, I'll be bringing them one by one for you. One by one. This is motor engine oil. This is light one. We have thick one. So if you get thing like this, fine container like this. Now see the proportion of the oil. You now add kerosene to reach here. Maybe 3 times as the proportion of the oil. You now use kerosene to mix it. This size of the oil, you find kerosene in 3 places. You now pour it to it, you shake it, you dilute it together. That's how you are going to do it. Then if you are using, let me show you another one again. If you get machine oil, this one is new, I've not opened it. When you get this type of oil, you can find another container again. Because of this mouth is useful, the mouth, you have to drill the mouth. So you divide this oil into 3. You let 1/3 of it remain in the, in the container, or half of it, you divide it into 2. You turn half into another container. You now take kerosene of the same proportion to mix it. You see, you dilute it. You can still use it in that way, or you pour half of this one into container of this type. Container of this type, you pour it there, then you drill the cover, or you find something, container having pointed mouth, like this one. This one is good. And if you don't see the edge of this one, you put nail there, or needle, hot needle, you put it into fire. When they get hot, you choose to soak it in 2 places or 3 needle, so that you will not be wasting your oil. So let us be watching. Then you look for this kind of thing. I've shown you before. We have used this type before. This one is grinding valve, motor engine grinding valve. Mechanic people are using it. Mechanic, mostly using by mechanic, motor mechanics, motor mechanicians, then generator mechanicians, those people repairing generator, especially all these diesel generator and this big petrol generator using valve. Any machine using valve, they are using this thing to grind the valve. No motor that doesn't have it. All the motors have it. So when they want to reboard the engine, so they use this paste. It's having 2 sides, smooth surface. They call it, they write it fine surface there. Then the other side is squash. So they first use squash to brush it very well. When they have gotten the total shining across, as we are used to do for the clipper blade, they now use fine part of it to smooth it, so that when they do it finish, they cover the valve up with the hole. They now put petrol there. When it cannot leak petrol, it's okay like that. I've stayed with mechanic people when they are doing all those things. You see, so you're looking for grinding valve. Grinding valve. This is it. It's divided into 2 like this. Inside is divided into 2. Inside, the container is divided into 2 by the center here. One is for quartz paste. The other one is for soft or smooth. You see it? Paste. Then if you don't get that one, this is the green powder. This one is used on the sharper, electric clipper blade sharpening machine. This one is used on it. It's very strong, but this one in form of powder, you see it. The other one is in form of paste, just like our toothpaste you used to brush mouth, that soap. When you press it, how it is. This one is like that. Powder mixed with paste. You see it? Is this one. This one is ordinary powder. You can still use this one. You see it? All the 2 are good. But for starting, this one is cost. This one is too cost. So when you go to the market, or people selling spare parts, motor spare parts, or generator spare parts, or motorcycle spare parts, what else again? Generator, tricycle, all this power bike machine, people selling their part. When you go there, tell them you want to buy grinding valve. Grinding valve, they will give you, but it may not be this color, it may not be this. They write different names on it. Different company make it with different color, different type of container. But this one is the most common one. All the company produce this type. They still produce plastic one in form of plastic like this. But by this time, this one will last for you. You see it? You get this at least one. If you buy two, it's not too much. If you don't have money, you buy one. For starting, you buy only one. So this one, if you get it, you know where you can get it, for sharper. This is a sharpening powder for electric clipper blade sharpening machine using on the stainless disc. So you know sharper, I told you the other time, it's having two discs. Yeah, it's having two discs. One disc is using this one. The other one gets its own powder again. You can still mix it with this one. That is why I'm telling you that when we go far on this sharpening of clipper blade, we now start. I've started before. I've did some tutorials, even about 100 different type of videos on the sharper. That is why I'm saying you should subscribe to my channel, press notification button. But all those videos are under membership until you register under membership, because you can watch them. But small time now, I will still open some down because they are far away. I will open some down for you to watch. So you get this powder. This one is called, is when you have sharper, it's follow sharper come. Yeah. When you buy new sharper, it's going to follow your sharper come. This one. So, and this one, when you go to spare part seller, motor spare part seller, Transaku, motor spare part seller, motorcycle spare part seller, or generator spare part seller, when you go to them, you see this one, but you say grinding valve. It may be different color, different shape, different company made. You see? So it's not only this type like this. There are many. There are many. So you buy it. Let's forget about this one first, unless you get it in your hand. This one is cost. Let's forget about this. So you look for this one. You look for kerosene. You look for motor engine oil, new one. If you don't get that one, you buy machine oil. That is a fashion designer, tailor oil. You buy it. Let me hold it. You see it like this. You see like this. Then you see the clipper blade holder. You see like this. Then you get your glass. I've shown you the glass. I don't want to be carrying glass anyhow. It can break. It's too fragile. So this is your clipper blade holder and the clipper blade you want to sharpen. This is your oil. This is your kerosene. This is your grinding valve. But this one is compulsory. You get it. So if you don't get this one, I will show you one method you can use. When you get speaker, condensed speaker, go and break speaker, you will see something like this one. This is a speaker magnetic. You see it, but make sure you get the bigger one so that you can get full magnet there. This one self, I still use it. But if you are not perfect, well, the moment you fast your movement, it's going to be shaking. The blade is going to be shaking, or at times it will move. But when you do it slowly, this one is good, but it's better you get. That is why I keep it here. I keep it here. You see it, so that whenever I want to use it, I'll just pick it from there. This is another one again. So I still have another shape, big one from the big speaker. It's in the, what do you call it, wardrobe. You see it? So I have them different types. You can work it on your own. At the same time, you can buy. But when you buy, that buy one is the best. You buy correct one, original one, at least one. I even say you prefer to buy one for small blade. Buy small blade on one. Buy the bigger blade one. Be very, very easy for you. And if you don't get that one, this one is multi-purpose. This one can do for bottom clipper blade and the upper clipper blade. This one can do. You see it? So when you get all these things, then you get the glass. You see it? Plus glass now. This is it. You get grinding valve, kerosene, oil, clipper blade holder, and your blade. And the glass. It's not more than that. Then how are we going to use it? That was why I was explaining the other time. Don't use it for clipper you have used for them. It will waste your time. It won't allow you to do another work again. Clipper blade, you buy new clipper for it. You want to enjoy it. Buy new clipper. Now specialize that clipper on this last method. So far you have not know how to sharpen with super hard manner sharpening stone. You don't know how to sharpen with super hard manner sharpening stone. You still be practice, under learning. So how are you going to use it? so that it will not delay you and your work will be very fast, very fast. Let me advise you, when you want to use it in the daylight, maybe early in the morning, when you prepare yourself finish before customer comes, you try it. As you are doing it along, maybe 1 hour, customer come, you leave it again. You go and tell the customer. Not only Baba can do it, everybody can do it. Oh, so far you have your own clipper, you can do it. I'm sorry, everybody can do it. That's why I'm saying this tutorial is for the whole world. It's not only for barbers, for the whole world. Everybody buy clippers nowadays. So when you do it little, you attend to customer, you still come back to it. That's how you'll be doing it smooth. Or if you can create time for it, not more than 3-4 hours, it may not be up to serve, but just to book it. It may not be more than 1 hour. But not let us just book it like that, 4 hours. It can't last you more than 4 hours. No matter how dull that person is, how slow that person is, you know, we fast past each other. And we are smart in understanding things past each other. And when they say you should be doing something, God give us power to do it, especially to do it past each other. But the lowest rank person can do it under 4 hours, and he or she is going to get it right. Even small person can do it. Young people can do it. Old people can do it. Very, very simple to do. But and the reason why I'm telling you that sharpening of the stone deal with sense. This one now, how you are going to be watching it, because the surface have to be the same. So by studying the inner surface, it is only thing you'll be studying there until you cover up. That shine I used to tell you, it will cover up. Once that shine cover up, flatness follow it immediately in glass. That is different between glass and using of super hard manner sharpening stone. In super hard manner sharpening stone, when you sharpen your clipper blade, you are looking for two things: total shining across. Let me pick one blade to show you. Where do I put this blade? I'm coming. You see it like this. When you sharpen your clipper blade, you are looking for two things: total shining across and the total flatness on the surface you have sharpened. But in clipper blade, in super hard manner sharpening stone, you can get the total shining across, all will shine, but the total flatness will not be there. Your clipper will not work. But to the case of the glass method, anything that makes you to get total shining, it is total flatness that will bring the total shining out. Let me still repeat it. In the super hard manner sharpening stone, when you sharpen, you can get total shining across. All the surface of the blade will be shining, stainless will come, all the black area will remove. But when you test it at times, it may not work. The total flatness is not there. But in case of using glass method, it is hard to get the total shining. But once you get the total shining, it comes along with flatness. Let me still repeat it again. For super hard manner sharpening stone, you sharpen your clipper blade, you can get total shining across. You see everything shining, all those dark area, you remove all. But when you test it, when you finish sharpening the upper clipper blade, bottom clipper blade, you now test. It may not give you what you want. The clipper blade may not be sharpened. You may even spoil it. But in case of glass method, that is the difference between glass method and super hard manner sharpening stone sharpening. You see, glass method, anything that makes you to achieve your total shining across, that total shining across is a twins, very close friend twins with total flatness. Wherever you see total shining across, you must have to see total flatness on the method of using glass method. That is why it is very easy. Then for super hard manner sharpening stone, once you get total flatness is number one. When you get total flatness, total shining across will come. In the case of super hard manner sharpening stone, you have to get total flatness. That is number one. Through this total flatness, the shining will not come out. But in the case of glass method, you need to get total shining. Then the flatness will now follow it. They work in the opposite direction. That is why I'm saying sharpening of clipper blade deal with sense. There are some practical things when you sit down and think over it well. you may likely to get result by yourself. By getting that result, you now put it into practical. Blade now, for case super hard manners of stone, you can sharpen guru guru guru, a novice who knows, a professional who knows, a learner who knows. You just sharpen guru guru, the total shining will come. The whole surface may shine, you will not see black area again. When you look at it, everything will be shining. You say, yes, it's well done. But when you test the blade, you discover it's not working at all. The whole mat is not working at all. But with this one, now the, what do you call it? Total flatness comes first before your blade can be sharpened on top of stone. You get the total flatness. When you get the total flatness correctly, then the total shining across will come in a cool color before your blade can work fine. But in case of glass method, you have to be fighting for total shining. When you continue doing it, maybe the whole surface is black. You continue doing it. That black now become, it was deep black before. As you continue doing it, becoming light black, very light black. That black will be reducing. As it's reducing, bring out shine. Once you get shine all across, it's come with total flatness. It comes with total flatness. Either you know how to sharpen or you don't know how to sharpen. It has to come like that, unless you don't follow the process. Even if you don't follow it, you cannot use that to sharpen. You must have to place it on the glass. Once the total shining across come on the glass, it's follow immediately. They even come along. Immediately total flatness will show up. But with the case of let me still repeat again, anything that makes you achieve total shining across on the glass method is come with total flatness. Then in opposite direction to super hard manners sharpen stone. Super hard manners sharpen stone, now you are looking for total flatness. Once you get total flatness, total shining across will come in a cool way. Because we get shining to shine across, we get it in two places in super hard manners sharpen stone. You may sharpen, the whole surface of the blade is shiny, but you get the way it has to be cool before the clipper blade can be, you can see the flatness on the surface. So you get the total flatness before the cool shining will come out. It's going to sharp. In case of the glass method, you are looking for total shining across. The moment you can sharpen it, you see that the whole surface has shown the total shining across. It comes immediately with the flatness. When you test it, it's going to work. That is the difference between the using of glass method and the super hard sharpening method on the stone. So glass method is very easy to use. Only say when you newly start, not to break your glass, you won't press your hand too much, and you find a place to place that glass so that when you are pressing the hand, if there's little gap, too much gap in one side, once you continue, the glass may break into four cells. Blah! So you need to position it very well, and you handle it with care. That's why I'm telling you that if you want to sharpen clipper blade, you are learning. You have to cool your mind down. That's number one thing. You will not be any time in haste. You will not rush at all. You will not rush. Once you rush, you are going to break the glass. You do it gently, step by step. You prefer to waste time for the first sharpening. Once you get it right, you know where to start, where to end your job. That is the trick inside. But when you rush up learning, once you do mistake, that mistake will discourage you. It will discourage you in the glass method. But once the glass break, you can't go for again. You take the remaining piece again, you try it again, you are rushing, it break up. No way again. Because the glass must be wide and little. So that's why I'm saying you need to cool down. Then you put it in mind that I must be able to achieve my aim by the grace of God. So once you have that confidence, you are going to do it successively. So I've explained it better now. Then how are you going to mix your oil? When you look for a container like this, you mix kerosene and oil together. Not too much light, not too much thick, medium. Then if you want to use this kind of rubber, you divide the oil into two. You pour one into another container, you take kerosene to replace the one you pour out. You mix it together, you dilute it, you make your treatment. Then the second one is you get diesel. If you cannot be washing with a duster, because duster, if you are not having good dusters, kneeling ones, it may not clean it well. But when you have small container, you put diesel. I've seen this tutorial on that one too. You apply diesel inside. When you finish, you put it. Maybe you hold it with what do you call it, plier, or you use hand to wash. When you just wash it, the diesel will remove everything. It will remove all the particles, the carbon, everything. It will remove it. Then you now use dry rag to clean it up very well. You finish your job. For the upper clipper blade, for the bottom clipper blade, you now mount it on the engine. You apply oil normally. You now test it, it's going to work. So let me go and prepare the studio so that we won't stay long today. We won't stay long. We want to do it sharp. We want to do it sharp. Don't want to waste much time. Don't want to waste much time at all. Just to use some minutes. Use some minutes. But it has come back again. I mistakenly pressed something there. I nearly off it. Just God assisted me. I nearly off by mistake to stop the live stream. But thank God. Now I want to flip back. You not be seeing my face again. So you'll be seeing the workshop studio now. So anything you want to do, please, you don't need to be hurried when you are learning. You take it gently, lightly, and you stay in an environment where you'll be able to achieve your aim. Where you will be able to achieve your aim. Because that is the major thing. When you stay in an environment where everybody will be disturbing you, what are you doing? What are you doing? You may not achieve your aim. So, and I used to remind us every day, if you want this image to be bigger, put your 2 fingers by the center of the phone, you draw it to the side. It's going to bring the image nearer. You see it? So when you close it again, you push it back. So if the image is far away from you, you zoom out. You zoom out. If the image is too far away from you, you zoom out. Let me read this message very well. It's too small. Then secondly, it's not English. It's not English. I can't read it. Maybe it is Dutch. Yeah, you see it now. Some they write combo, some marks, some grinding just different names. You see it. Then this is a magnetic clipper blade holder. You see it. This is the blade. You see it. Like this type of blade now, we have been using it for tutorial. You see how shining the surface is. So you won't use your blade too much. You won't use it too much. Let me put it down here. Then this one. Let me keep the other ones here. Let me keep it here. Let me put it on the ground. Then this one. Okay, I have one wire here. There's one mixture here. I will show you all these ones. I will show you. So look at this duster. Look at the duster now. Taylor helped me to fashion it out. So we place it here like this. We place it here like this. Then this is another one again. It's another duster. We place it here again. You can see it. Then this is the glass. This one is long. If you can get half of this one, or you see somebody who can cut it for you, so that it be half very, very small. This one is too long. So I need to be very, very extra careful. Okay, this is the surface I'm using before. This is the surface. You know, I've used it before. There is a treatment on the surface itself. So you want to use it now, and I want to show you, or let me put it by the center like this so that I can stay. You see duster under, you see duster, you see duster, you see it. I cannot place it on the stone. It may break. You see it. So if you want to use it now, where is my, okay, this is clipper blade holder. Let us start from the upper clipper blade. Let me find one upper clipper blade. One STAREX blade. Let us speak it like that. One STAREX. Yeah, you see, this one is a set of STAREX. Let us do for set of STAREX. This one is a tapper. Let me return this one here. This one is tapper. So let us do for the STAREX first. Let me keep this one here. Or let me keep it somewhere so that it will not fall. Let me keep it here. Oh, I don't see. Okay. Let me put it under here. This is a magnetic clipper holder. Then, this grinding valve now, you open it. This one is a quartz surface. You can see it. This one is quartz surface. So this one is the one we are going to use first. So after, you now use smooth one. This one is very fast. It's active than this side. You see it? You now, it's the one on the surface here. You now just use your hand to take small. You see it like this. You put it on the screen. You see the way I apply it. Though we still have some here. You see it. You put it on the glass. Then you cover it up. You cover it up. Let me return it. Then this is a rag to clean my, because it's used to chop. It's used to chop. It's used to chop. Then this is a oil mixed with kerosene. This one is a oil, new oil, engine oil mixed with kerosene. You see it? Or let me still put little kerosene there for you to see it. Let me apply small kerosene there. This is pure kerosene. You see it? Pure kerosene inside. Though the container is not for kerosene. Though. I just put it there. It is drug kerosene and a container. You see the way I'm applying it? I don't know whether you can see it. Okay, you can see it in that way. So the kerosene is there already, but not to mix too much. Then you cover this one back, you return it. Then this one, you cover it back. You see it, you mix it together. Then you now, this is the area we want to use. Let me clean my fingers as usual. This dry rag. You see it, I want to remove those oil, the paste in my hand. You make it clean. Even you can get water with, what do you call it? Soap and water to wash it. You now dry it with clothes, with rag. Then you remove the masking tape. Let me show you. Because it is clipper, magnetic clipper builder that's going to hold it. One is the masking tape at the back. It will not hold it properly. You remove the masking tape, then you clean the back. Don't use kerosene now. Don't use kerosene. You just remove the gum. Because the kerosene will not allow the magnet to hold it very well. You clean it like this. You see it. This is the clipper blade holder. You see it. And if this one is drawing, you see it, you can use another. Let's just try this one first. If this one cannot hold it very well, we use another one. I have like 3 here. So you put it like this. This is the bottom clipper blade. You put it one side. Then you now apply oil. I don't know whether the camera can pick it like this. Let me place it here and see. The camera can pick it. Let me go back a little. Let me go back a little. The camera can pick it like this. This is the area we are going to use. So you now drop the solution. You see the way I'm dropping it? You drop it on the surface. You can see it. You see the way I'm dropping it? You see the way I'm dropping it? You can see me dropping it, yes. Let us try it in this way first. So if this one cannot hold it, if it's drawing there, we remove it. We use another magnetic. You see that this is the surface. Let me show you the surface. You see it. Let me even zoom out. Or you zoom out. You zoom out to see it. You zoom out. Put your two fingers by the center of the phone. Then you go to the side. When you go to the side, it's going to bring the image nearer to you. The oil is my hand. I don't want to be touching it again. So you see like this. You place the whole mouth. You cannot even bend it. This one is flat. This one is flat. You cannot bend it. Everything on the screen. So let us start now. You see the way I'm doing is. Let me show you the next surface before I go far. Can you see now? The shiny is coming out. It will be coming out here. It will be coming out here. But you let pressure a little bit in the front than the back. That is why I'm telling you that using of sharper, using of this all these sharpening materials, they carry the same method. Only little difference is there. They carry the same method. So when you press it now, let pressure be much on this front, a little than the back here. Don't apply too much pressure at the back. If you apply too much pressure at the back, when you sharpen it, the low cut is not going to work. Believe me, it's not going to work. So you apply much pressure, like 65% pressure here, 35% pressure, or 55% the amount of pressure here, 45 here. Let the way you apply pressure here be a little bit plenty than the back. So let us go. You see the way I'm doing it? When you nearly start, don't fast too much. You'll be placing it where all these things. You see it? You can hear the sound. You'll be placing hole, like you cannot even bend it. This one is flat, this one is flat. The moment you bend it, you want to break the glass. It will not even agree. It will stand totally on this way. You see it? It will sit on the glass. You just be using it to grind the face. You see it like this. You press it down, but let the pressure go much to the front. You know this is the front side. You let the pressure go a little bit higher in the front area where it's using to cut. You can zoom out to see it well. You can zoom out. You can zoom out to see it. This what they call is grinding valve. It doesn't get fake. All is original. So you have no problem in that one. Say if I go, they may give me fake. There's no fake of it. You can't see the fake. All is original. All is original. You can't see fake. You see the way I'm doing it? You'll be collecting it together. You see the way I'm collecting it? But use the back. If you want to collect the back of the blade here, back. You carry it from back to collect it back. You see the way I'm doing it? You see it? You use back. Then you go again. It's very, very sharp the way I'm doing it. Oh. If you use a hand like this, it's going to chop your hand. Immediately we know. Then don't press too much. Not to be. Then see what I put under. You see two pillows under. Don't put it on a solid something that's going to break. Oh. You see the two dusters now. You see it? Those are the systems. That is why I'm saying Baba have many instruments, which many Baba don't know. This pillow, this duster is part of our instrument. Material to use. You see it? You see the way I'm doing it? You can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. can hear the sound, which means the grinding valve is working on the surface of the blade. Let me come nearer to the camera. Let me come to the back to show you very well, for you to understand what I'm trying to fashion out. Look at it now. The moment you get total shining across all the blade, total flatness come at once. You see it? Then you now, there's one thing I want to show you before you can be testified that it has reached a stage. You see, this is the edge of the blade, the edge here. Watch carefully, this is the edge. Watch carefully, this is the edge of the blade. Total shining will start from the back here. Oh, this thing has carried dirty on it again. The carbon, you see it? It has to start from here. It will now be going to the front. Once the total shining across, covered reach the front. When you watch it now, everything shine together with the back here. You still repeat it like 5 minutes again. Don't be sure that as a learner, when you see total shining across, you still repeat it like 5 minutes. You see it, you repeat it small again. You will not rush at all. The first one you want to do it, you do it to taste. You do it to taste. Let me have my seat again. All these things are logics, tricks. Once you understand all these tricks, you are going to do it easily by yourself. That is why I'm saying many people that base on the just to sharp. To say I did not explain anything for you now, I just start putting it like this. You may not understand many. You just be looking at me. What is he doing? But when I explain everything, then any learner that refuses to listen to that instructions, explanations, is not going to get it right. Mistakenly, but this one, I'm telling you, everybody that tries is going to get it right. So far, you find correct blade. Don't go look for a blade you use for 6 months. Before you get to such an across, it may take you a year. That is why I'm saying buy a special clipper for it. Buy a new clipper with new blade. When you use the clipper today, tomorrow, highest 1 week, even for the first time, 5 days, you remove it. The machine will still be working. Only say the work will not be so smooth like that. The quality of the sharpness will reduce a little. Then you return back that quality of the one that escaped from the teeth. You just replace it there. It's going to work like no one again. When you use it for 5 days again, you redo it. 5 days again, you redo it. 5 days again, you redo it. So the more you continue doing it, it will not be like say you can do it under 5 minutes. The more you practice, the more the fastness come into your hand. The more you get it to know more, the more you get to understand the surface. That is why explanatory is very important. To explain something to taste is very important. Once you don't listen to the instruction, explanation, I'm telling you, you can't get it right. If at all you get it, it's going to take you a long time with enough search. You see the one being in. You press it down. Once you place it, it will even balance by itself. This is a flat blade, this is a flat glass. You cannot bend. Only say you apply pressure towards the front. And you know the way to draw. Don't draw by the side, it may break. You drop it, face the brass. It will face, the whole face will face the glass at the same time. Because of the pillow under, don't forget, form your pillow. You can even use your bedroom pillow self, condemn one. You buy one for it. That one will be very good. It will cover all. If you just get small one like this, half of this one, just like 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet or 1.5 feet by 1 feet, so that you not be wide too much. And these people making the aquarium, you can ask them to brace it here for you, to brace this side, so that when you pour water inside, it will not fall. When you pour chemical, it will not be going outside. It will not be falling outside. You see it? You can modernize it in that way, or you leave it plain like this, but don't let it wide or long too much. You see what I'm doing? I'm using the back of the blade to connect it together. Don't use the front, back. Yeah, let me take it up now. The work is done. Yeah, I thank God. Let us watch carefully. As I used to show you for the super hard manner sharpening stone, watch carefully. You can see the total flatness, and I don't want to use my hand to clean it. Just direct from the surface of the glass, direct to the front of the screen. Can you see like this? So we have gained the moment you get total shining across in the glass method, the total flatness comes along with it. They come at the same time. Once you finish getting the total shining, immediately total flatness will come out. You see it? This one is done well now. It's done well. Once you don't overuse your blade, it's not going to waste your time. You know, I book almost 4 hours. It will not be up to, but let me just book 4 hours so that you get enough time for it, so that you will not rush up to break the glass. You see, like this, you do it gently. You can still repeat it. To be done sure, to be sure, to be very, very well assured, you can still repeat it. But let me remind you again, don't let oil too much. You see how the paste form. This is how it's going to work. Once you apply too much oil, too much treatment, it will now be in form of solution. It will be falling out of the glass. It will not be very, very effective. To thick like this, to get paste, that's the most one you can really achieve your aim very, very fast. You see it? You can zoom out to see it very, very well. You zoom out. Let me use the second hand. I want you to zoom out to see the way it's doing, because I'm using right hand to work, but I only use left for you to see how it is. Then look at the front of the blade. You let the pressure mount much on the front than the back. Yeah. Then let me show you now. This rubus has turned to black a little. You see it? Let me locate it very well. Yeah, you see it now? Total flatness and total shining across. Total flatness. You can see it. So this one is done properly. This paste in the surface of the blade, you can still collect it back. It's still useful. You collect it back. You now know the way to place it. You see the way I'm placing it back, returning it back into the glass surface. It's very, very important. Then you be careful not to break the glass. Very, very careful. So we are finished for the upper clipper blade. Then you need to reclean this thing very well, because when you put it like this, it's going to be drawing. For the bottom clipper blade, you need to clean it. So let me place this one here. When you finish, you open the face up. Then you see the way I'm collecting it. Then you can take your rag. That is why you get 2 types of rags, clean one and the one for oil. You get clean one, many. You get the one for oil, many. So that when one is very, very soaked, you drop that one, you go and wash it. Then you pick another one. you get at least 5 or 10. You see like this. You see the surface like this. Okay, let me drop this one. Then we are going for, this is the, let me even clean it finish, so that it remains only, if to say we have this now, once you drop it in that inside, okay, there's one diesel here, very nice. There's one diesel here. I'm very, you see diesel, I've been using it before. Let me just drop it. It's going to clean it immediately. You see it? We now use rag to clean it. Clean one. Let me take this clean one. Let me just take the side. Yeah, let me now show you. Let me get it closer to the camera. You trust me? Can you see it now? When we have washed it inside diesel, you see now, we have achieved our aim on this. Let me drop it here, keep it here. You see where I'm keeping it? You see it here? You see? So excuse me a minute. Excuse me a minute. Yes, I'm sorry. I'm back again. I'm sorry. Now, let us try for bottom clipper blade. You see the surface? This is a bottom clipper blade. So you can clean it first. You can clean it. You see it. Then at the same time, we still clean the surface of our magnetic clipper blade holder. We still clean it again, so that the action will be very, very active. You see, this is the clean rag I'm using. So this is the, though you look at the back again, we have to remove this masking tape, because if the masking tape here is there, the magnet will not hold it properly. It's different from the thumb. Then this one now, don't let us use kerosene. Let us use dry one, dry rag to remove it, so that the kerosene will not add to the problem again. So watch like this. See the way I want to put it. We are going to this side now. Watch carefully. This side and this side. One will be in the front, where I used to place my thumb when we divide the blade into two. Let me show you now. I will explain everything better for you. You see, this is the center as I've used to tell you. This is where the upper clipper blade is laying, here and here. This is the center. You now turn it to the other side. This is the center. Watch carefully. This is the center. Then we divide this. Where is the another pointer? I'm coming. So we divide this blade into 4. I will show you where to place it now. Watch carefully. Let me do it in this way. Yes. Let me arrange it very well so that you see like this. Exactly. You get it in this way. Then look at this magnet clipper holder is divided into 2. So this one I'm touching, this one and this one are the same. You look at it. So one will be in the front. This iron will be the center of it. The center like this. It will be in the center. Look at it in this way. This is how it's going to be. You see it in this way. This is how it's going to be. You see it. Leave plenty portion at the bubble. Let us remove these pointers so that it allows the magnetic clipper holder to sit down very well. Like this cannot sit down very, very well. Let me return them to where I pick it. Then look at me very well. This is the center. This is the center. See the legs. You see it in this way. This is the front of the blade. You see it. You see it. You see it. Okay. You see it like this. You see the side. Then you see it from the front. Look at it. Look at it here. Look at it here. I'm doing everything slowly for you to see it clearly. So that no need to say, hurry, no, you are too much in haste. No. You see the front. You know, it's getting a little bit closer than the front and the back. Here you see it. So that when you are doing it, much pressure will be in the front. When you press it down like this, much pressure will be in the front than the back here. At least 55 to 60% pressure in the front, then between 40 and 45 pressure at the back. So the rate you press it in the front will be a little bit higher than the back. So that when the iron is chopping, it will chop a little bit much in the front here, in the front area here, than the back area, so that the blade will get a little bit sloppy. You see it? Then you take care with the glass. That's why I'm saying you need to cool down. Then you can find something like, let me see whether blade can work for it. To pack all these things together, you look for another blade like this. You see it like this. To pack them together, because this one are still useful again. They are still useful. This is the old one there. They are still useful. Useful again. You see where I'm using for it? Let me still get it closer to the camera. The back of the blade. The back of the blade. Instead of using your hand, it will be chopping your hand. Or you can find slipper, bedroom slippers. Just cut it to that. Then you now be using straight side of it. That straight area. You'll be using it to pack it. That will be foam. You can still use your blade like this. It's okay. It's okay like this. It's okay. It's okay like this. Let us return this one. Then this valve is still good now. This grinding, this solution is still good now. This paste is still good. Then to make it faster, you can still reapply. This one, you don't need to pack it off. This one is squash. It be like sand. So the more you use it for the first one, it will now be grinding this valve into smooth one, smooth side. Here, this squash area, let me show you again. This is a squash end. Okay, this is squash end. It's as powerful 3 times than this smooth. Smooth is here. That is fine. F-I-N-E, fine. Or smooth. S-M-O-O-T-H, smooth. Smooth paste is here, or fine paste is here. This one is squash. This one is 3 times as powerful than this one. So when you apply this one on the board, on the glass, you now use it well. It will now change to this one, because when you feel this one in hand than this one. The more you use it now be changing to the smooth. The same thing with the content here. you can still use it again, because when you apply this one now, it's in form of this one. You have grinded it. It's in form of smooth now. Just to add little quartz there to make it active again. Or if you have enough money to be buying, you can pack this one, but get one container, you'll be packing it inside. Get another container, you'll be packing them inside it. It's still useful for another blade, especially the upper clipper blade. So we now take small, just little. We take little because it's too sharp, as you see it. So you put it. When you have the money, you can put it plenty. Then you do glass, you do border. The edge of your glass, you give those people where they do aquarium. They will help you do the border so that you can put it down, even put kerosene there, put oil there, it will not fall out. They put the edge by the glass. They do it neat for you. So we now return the cover. I've removed little paste. I've pasted it on the glass in the center. Then I will now replace the cover back. I want to return it back. Then you see the finger I used to collect it. You see, I may glue it on the dry one like this. You cannot remove it all. I now use oil rag to first remove it before I use dry one to clean it all. These are the steps you'll be taking so that you will not be chopping your hand. At the same time, you have to settle down. You see the way I'm doing it so that you will not mistakenly break the glass. You will not mistakenly press the clipper blade holder too much. And if you don't have power to buy clipper blade holder, find magnets from the speaker, condensed speaker. Go and break condensed speaker. You even get bigger than this one. This one I used to use it. So it's workable. Then you still get bigger one. It's workable. You can break it into 3 or 4 when you get bigger one. You can use it. They all are the same. Now you want to sharpen for the bottom clipper blade. I'm coming. I want to fold this rope. I was the one that put rope there so that you're not lost. You get hole inside. So I work rope there so that I can be able to locate it easily. You see it? So I've shown you before. Let me still show you again. I'm coming. Yeah. You see like this? So this one, anybody can use it just for your own clipper. The clipper that is not used more than 2, 3, 4 days, 5 days, highest a week. And the way you will be using that clipper, you use correct oil for that clipper. And as you are using it to barb, you'll be putting oil from time to time so that the door will not dip. Don't use ordinary kerosene on the top of the blade you want to sharpen, because kerosene is going to be dipping inside this bottom clipper blade. So to put it back to normal, it's very, very hard. You can even mistakenly break the glass. You see it now? So let us go for this one. You now apply your oil. You see, I think you saw the way I applied the first one. You just drop it little. Don't let it be too much. Oh, it's okay like this. It's okay. Don't let it be too much. Let me return this valve to where I pick it. Let me return it. You see it now? You let your pressure fall towards this area. You put everything by center here, but your pressure will be too much here, just a little bit higher than here. So let us go now. You know, this one is wider. It's going to make noise. You can see, which means this grinding valve, the paste now is still active. That is why it's making sound. It's just in form of, say, you are working on or grinding on the sand. You see it? Once this thing is grinding, reducing to small particles, the nozzle will be coming down. But when you nearly start, when this grinding valve is still active, it just be in form of sand, the nozzle will be many. You see it? But during the day, it cannot be up to like this. No, everywhere is clear that we're in the midnight here. Let us try and watch now and see. I will not clean it. I just want you to experience it so that when you do it small, when you take it off, you can know how the surface is. You see now, the shining is becoming little by little. You see it? It's coming little by little. You see it? So you take care because of the glass. Don't rush too much. Especially for the first time you are making an attempt. Don't rush. Do everything at ease. Don't rush at all. You do it gently, gently. Don't consider the time it's going to take you. It may take you 1 hour, 2 hours. I'm just assuming 3 hours, 4 hours. It cannot be more than 4 hours. So when you do it finish, you tested it, it works, you have captured it, you can now fast your hand. You can do it under 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But when you nearly start, you see the way I'm doing it, I can rush it up, but you won't understand what I'm doing when I rush it up too much because we are learning. I myself am learning, you too are learning. And don't forget, the pressure have to be in the front too much. Don't forget, let me show you so that you can see where I face. See the front. The pressure have to be a little bit in the front here than the back. About 55 amount of pressure here, 45 at the back, or 60 here, 40 at the back. So a little bit will be higher in the front than the back. You see the way now? You can now use the back of the blade. See the back to bring it back. You see it like that? So that is why I'm saying the system using in sharpening on the surface of super hard manual sharpening stone, just the same system you use in the surface of the sharper that is inside the sharpening disc. You use the same method. You see it? At the same time, this glass method now, you will still be moving your hand. Anyhow, you are moving your hand. You see it? That is why I'm telling you that using of sharper, using of super hard manual sharpening stone, using of glass, all follow the same method. Only do it in different directions. So in the case of sharper, the disc is rolling around. Then you are now moving to and fro, the way you move on the stone. But rotating around under the blade will make it faster for you than ordinary stone going to and fro. So in the case of sharper, you'll be going to and fro. This is a disc. The disc is round. Let me show you here. Let me show you here. I will direct camera. I want you to understand this thing very well. I want you to understand it so that you see the difference. What you have with you, that is my sharper. If you hold it now, the engine will be moving in this direction. You see it like this, then it's moving. You can stay anywhere. For learner, you can use this one to block yourself, but for you to see it clearly so that you can see it through the screen, I can stay here like this. So when this one is rotating, then I'll be going to and fro. You see like this, I'll be moving like this. You see like this, I'll be moving. Then this one will be at a great speed, very, very fast. You shouldn't put your hand, very, very fast. So as you going like this, you'll be moving. You see like this, you'll be moving until you'll be watching, until you get your, when you have treated the surface, activated the surface, after you now on the machine will be rolling in this direction, then you'll be moving your hand. You see it like that? So the same thing still in the super hard manual sharpening stone. That is why I'm telling you that all are working in the same system. Only say a little difference is there, just little difference is there. So you can zoom out to see, you see like this, you can zoom out to see what I'm doing. Those who don't know how to zoom, let me leave it in this way, so that those who don't know how to zoom can be able to see properly like that. Or you may go like this. This is a system of super hard manner sharpen stone and sharper. Let me watch now. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Let me still repeat. Let me show you first before I still repeat it, so that will not be only me seeing it. You can see like this. So though when we clean this carbon there, when we remove it, the shining is going to show. But to be sure, for the first time, repeat it and repeat it. Don't rush to test. Try to understand my speech. Don't rush to test. Repeat it like 1, 2, 3 hours. You do it to the extent that you are satisfied. Then you now test. So the next one you want to do, the subsequent one you want to be doing, will now be faster, because you've understood the way you undo your glass, your paper blade holder, then the way you mix your paste, everything like that. You've understood it. You can be fast as anything. Then don't press that too much, because the pillow is under. Don't forget, I will always be reminding you all these things, so that when you want to do your own, you know that you're going to put pillow under, so that it will make it stable, comfortable for the glass. When you are pressing too much, that pillow will be absorbing, be an absorber, shock absorber. But when you put it on a plain, don't say we did not put this pillow there, and now put it on a stone, it may break anytime. Because you might think forgot it at time, when the work enter your body, you all have everything just pieces. It may even injure you. So that is why you need to follow all this. I form all this thing by myself. You find pillow, see the one I'm using, you see it under. I formed them. I did not see it anywhere. You think and sit down. What do you think are the materials or the tools that will be useful for this work I want to do, so that you make it very, very easy for me to do, and I will as fast as possible, I can achieve my aim. Not to be wasting much time, wasting chemical, wasting energy. You see, it's for the first time this thing is already sharp. But I want to do it for you to know, say, for the first time, you have to do it excessively, so that when you test it, no error will come out. You have seen it shining across, don't agree for it, you still have to repeat it. And don't forget, this is the area the pillow is under. That is where I'm sharpening. Not this area that is empty. Not this area that is empty. Take note of all this thing very well. That is why I love to explain my tutorials to the extent of, say, when we finish now, you can never forget. You can never forget. You just need to rewatch the video again. Then go back to the previous videos. They are valuable, no old videos. All are updating one. All are evergreen videos. You'll be watching them. So I've opened many down again. When I discover you people are watching it, I will leave them like that. When I discover you are not watching, I will put them under membership again. So there are so many people that used to call me, they want to watch, I open for them. Yeah. You see, it is where the pillow is. See it now? It is on top of the pillow. I'm doing it. Don't do it outside where the pillow is. Don't do it outside where the pillow is. If the glass extends to this area, don't do it where there's no pillow under, where the pillow is under. And don't press too much. You know, I used to tell you, don't over press. You cannot achieve your aim like that. You just break the glass anyhow. Lightly. You see, it and fro. This one covers all. You can't do one side. That is different in the stone again. Well, you know, saying the stone, we divide the blade into two. We first sharpen one side, sharpen the other side. So in case of glass method, you sharpen all at the same time. Only say when you need to start, the work may start somewhere around here or in the center, or but by this, it can start anywhere. The moment you go far, it's going to cover all. The sharpening is going to cover all. It will be covering all at the same time, going until you achieve your total shining across. And the moment you notice your total shining across, it will come together with total flatness. You are okay with that one. You have tested the upper one, it's okay now. Then looking for this one itself is okay, but it's bigger blade. That is why I want to repeat it many times. I want to repeat it so that when you are doing your own, you will not know that this thing is not so much in a haste. You don't need to be hurry. You do it gradually, slowly until you achieve your aim. When you do the first one, second one self, you settle down. Third one, you settle down. Starting from fourth one, you gather the speed, you've gathered the experience, you've gathered on how to handle this thing properly. So when you are doing it, you do it with your free mind that you are going to achieve your aim. That is the logic there. But once you are fearing that I cannot achieve my aim, surely you will not achieve it. I have good thinking for what I'm doing. This one, either somebody is slow, either you fast. When you do it very well, you're going to achieve your aim. No magic in it. No jams. It's okay like this. Before I clean it, I'll be showing you step by step so that you can see how the conditions are going. You see like this? So I've not cleaned it, but you can see the total shedding across, the total flatness there. You can see it like this. Now, this one is not wasted. You can still go to repeat it again, use it again. You see the way I pack it. You drop it on the glass. It's still useful again. The one we made there, we mix them together with the new one. It cannot condemn easily, as you see it in that way. And when you use it all, you start to pack it, find one container will be putting inside, it's still useful again. What you are going to use it for later, I will tell you. I'm trying to clean the blade. Let me remove it. Then make sure you don't touch the inside. See where I hold it. You see it like this. Then you drop it in this way. You see it. Then let us clean the clipper blade holder. Then let me take my oil rag. The oil rag. You can see it now. So we have cleaned it. Where do I keep the container? I'm coming. Okay, is the container here? So let me return it back to the container because I don't want it to get lost. Then let me clean the blade. Let me come to the back of the camera to clean the blade first before we put it. So when you are cleaning from center to outside, you see it in this way. You don't do from front to the inside. You can clean the rest part anyhow. Then when cleaning this area, you come from the center to the front like this. You see it like this. That is the way I clean. You see it like this. The waist is paining me. Let us check there before you even wash. Before we wash it, let us check. You see it like this. You can see it like this. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it like this without washing it. Let me go and wash it now. Let me bring so this one is diesel. This one is diesel. Diesel. D-I-E-S-E-A. Diesel. This one is diesel. You see it inside. I've been using it before. You see the powder inside. That's the powder and the particles of ions there. You see it? I've been using it over 3 or 4 years now. So let me close it up. Where is the cover? Okay, this is the cover. You see it? You find small container like this, then you cover it up. You see the way I cover it, then I'll return it to where I pick it. Then I take clean rag, dry one, to clean it and clean my finger too, my thumb or my hand. Yeah. Waist is paining me a little by little. You see, from center to the front, you see the way I'm cleaning? Don't clean from front, you could be quenching the blade. Oh. You see the way I'm doing it from center, like this, like this. So now let us watch. Let us watch. Yeah, let me stand up first. Oh, the waist is paining me. So let me get that speed again. Okay, let us watch again. Let us watch now. Let us watch. Let us watch now. Yeah, what can you see now? Please, no need to talk lies. So what can you see? What can you observe? We have seen two things here, total flatness and total shining across. You see, we have achieved our aim. We have achieved our aim. Oh my God. I want to test it. I don't want it to go out of the screen. So that not be like, say, you have changed the blade. Oh, it's another one. No. Let me check first. Hey, I thank God. Oh, we have achieved our aim. Once you can test, you get the necessary things there. I don't want it to get out of the camera. Let us watch now. What do you see now? You see carbon. You see it like this. Only say the masking tape is not there. If the masking tape is there, I can be able to hold it very well. And you see, we have seen the sign. You see the carbon field everywhere, black. You see it? It's sharpened correctly. When we mount it on the clipper engine now, you wash it properly, you apply the oil. It's going to work like a new one, or better than the new one. So this one, you don't need to clean it. You leave it like that. See it like this. You don't need to clean it. You don't need it. Just go and put it for where you pick it up again. It's going to dry. When it dry up, it will now show like the first one I showed you. So I'll keep it for where I brought it before. You see it now. You now, this is the pillow I'm saying. You see small pillows, and you can use big one. You see, you can use it to clean your hand. At the same time, you can put it under the glass. It's part of our instruments in sharpening studio. In my own studio, I'm saying no, not all. Oh. In my own studio, it's part of it. My own studio. My own studio. Then let me clean the blade very well. Now, you see it? Yeah, the waist is paining me. Let me show you what I'm doing. I'm cleaning my hand. I'm cleaning my hand. So I think you can see it now. These are the tools I brought. This is clipper blade holder. The blade is inside. So many things are here using for sharper. So when we get to sharper tutorial, I'll be showing you one by one. We are going to do tutorials on sharper tutorial. I've done many, over 100 videos on sharper, but they're all under membership. You don't register, you can watch them. For now, if you don't register, you can watch. So I think you can see it now. So let me see whether I can sharpen clipper blade using the stone. So that we can use stone. Let me watch whether there is time. Let us sharpen stone. Let us use stone again, so that we can gain the two. We can gain the two. We have used the, what do you call it, glass method to sharpen. So we can still use stone now. We gain the two at the same time. Let me keep this one. Let me keep it. Let me keep this one. That is why I'm saying that sharpening of the clipper blade. If you want to achieve your aim, you need to settle down very well. You need to settle down very well. You need to settle down. So let us sharpen clipper blade. And this one we have sharpened. This is the one we are going to resharpen again. Or let me keep this one. No. Let me pick another one. This one is smaller blade. Let us sharpen thicker blade. Step by step, let us sharpen thicker blade. Let us sharpen thicker blade. Smart blade. Yeah. This one is having masking tape. I don't want to waste the masking tape. This one is not having. So let me put this one here like this. Let me set the camera very well so that you can be able to see it properly. Let me try whether I can still be bigger. Hope it's okay like this now. Hope it's okay like this. I hope it's okay like this. You see like this. Please help me share this video out. I want many people to gain this video very, very well. We are using the glass method whereby you can use by yourself. And the procedure you are going to follow in sharpening it, I've shown you how you are going to use your blade before the sharpening. I've explained everything. So don't use it for the blade you have condemned, not to break the glass. It is the clipper blade you use for 5, 6 or 4 days. You use it for sharpening. Now let us go for the stone. Now before we go, you first clean the surface of your. Don't press hand too much, just clean it a little. No need to press hand too much. You see the way I apply the oil. So this one now, for the sake of the new followers, because YouTube studio is telling me that the number of new people watching the video has now increased. Is 80.2%. 80.2%, which means we have around 27.8. 80.2%. No, that is 19.8% remaining. The out of that 19.8, we have is it not 16? Okay, around 16% for casual watcher. Those have subscribed before, they don't come every time. They just come irregular to my studio and watch on my channel. But the one that permanent, they are around 3% out of 100. Permanent watcher, those people have been following me since that they don't miss my video. They are about 3% or 4%. So which means new viewers are many on my studio every day on my channel. Because this program I'm doing now, I've told you, this one is worldwide. Almost the whole world have the advantage of watching it. Even if you don't hear my language, we are looking at what I'm doing. And the moment you can follow it the way I'm doing, you are going to achieve exactly what I've achieved. The one we just finished now, I explained everything very well for you in the classroom before we now come to workshop. Then when we now enter workshop now, I have little things to explain, just to show the practical very well and put little explanation there, theory. From there, you can see the way we work everything out, we really achieve our aim. Then now, this one now for the new ones, we want to use stone to sharpen taper clipper blade. So we can't do the STAREX today. It's getting late because of the new viewers. I want to do this one. I want them to gain. Some might not have seen the way I'm sharpening using the stone. So this is going to be the first time for new viewers. Let me direct the fan here, please. The heat is getting too much now. And the fan is not blowing to where I am. I don't know whether I've offended it too. Yeah. Because of the camera and because of my head too. So the camera, look at this oil, since it has not dry. You can see it. You can zoom out to see it very well. You see the oil? So which means this stone is original. You see it? Now, let us even start afresh. Let me return this one. Let me find the one with without sellotape. But I will start afresh. Let me keep this one. Let me keep this one. Let's pick the one that has no masking tape. Number one thing, we have cleaned our surface of the stone. Number two is to clean the back of the blade. We must apply grit, that is masking tape, to allow us to, hope you are seeing it very well like this. You can see like that. You clean it very well. You clean it. You see like this. We have cleaned this one. Then I have to clean the upper one too. Or either you first clean the upper one. So when you have gum, this gum is dry. It starts dry. So let me show you this one too. So when I zoom out, it used to happen like that. Small like this, your hand will be getting out of the screen. You see like this. Let me zoom in back. Let me zoom in. So that you'll be seeing everything I'm doing. You can zoom out on your own to your own taste. You can zoom out. Because the moment I move my hand small, it's getting out of the camera. And I don't want it in that way. Now, this is how you keep your masking tape. This is how you ramp it always. You see like this. You keep it so that the quality of the gum will not lost. You see like this. The quality of gum will not lost. You see it in this way. Then I pick this one out. When I use it finish, I put it the same way I put this one to protect the gum to last longer for me. You know, say you cannot just use it finish in the day. It has to take some months before you finish it. Then you look for original one. Look for original one. If you want to cut, you make sure your hand is dry. Don't allow chemical to touch your hand. Kerosene, oil, diesel, don't allow it. Moment all those things are in your hand, it's not going to hold it properly for you. It will be removing anyhow. When I finish now, I will show you. You can see how it is, but you can put it neat than the way I want to put it. And you let it cover very well. Let me show you now. You see it now? You see the way it is? You see the way it is? You see it? Now, you place it when you have not sharpened or you have not finished the sharpening, you position it in this way. Then I now take my special stone. This is special stone. I use it on the smooth surface. This is smooth surface stone. You see it like this to spread the oil. You see it to spread the oil. You see it like that. You see the surface. Then after this one now, you take your biscuit bone to cool it down, to cool the surface. You see it like that. You return it back. Then you now take your, before I apply the kerosene, let me show you the way you want to place the clipper blade. You want to be using angle 45 degree. Angle 45 degree. This is angle 0 and 180. This is angle 90. Straight one like this is angle 90. Then when you bring it to the half, it's angle 45 in this way. Mathematicians should take note of this. Angle 0, angle 180, angle 90, angle 45 degree. So you place your blade in this way. The upper clipper blade will be in this way. At the same time, if you want to sharpen from the clipper blade, it will still be the same position. This one is called angle 45 degree method. Angle 45 degree method or scissors method. SCISSORS space METHOD scissors method. Let me return my pointer to where I picked them. Then we are going to start from the upper clipper blade. Whenever you want to sharpen, start from the upper clipper blade. You know, I've applied the oil, I've used biscuit bone on it. Now we are going to apply kerosene. We are going to apply kerosene. You blow it so that you not be touching. Or let me just show you as a nail filler. You can use your finger to spread it. At the same time, you can blow. When you blow it, your breeze is going to spread it over. You see it like this. My hand has touched. You first use your oil rack. You now use clean one, so that this clean one will know it take a longer time before it becomes soaked. Now you place your blade at angle 45 degree. I've shown you now. Let me see whether it is showing here very well now. Let me get closer a little bit. You see it? So I'm coming. Let me adjust the camera so that it can stay well by the center. You see it like this. Then after, there's one thing again. You divide the stone into two, like this. You use one part to sharpen half, another part to sharpen half. Then how you get where you place your thumb? You divide into two. You divide into four. You place your thumb by the center here, by the center here. Then when you put your you place your thumb here, you divide the stone into two. You use this side. When you sharpen here, you use the remaining half here. But we are going to start from here. We are going to and fro 20 times. To and fro 20 times. When you go like this, come back. 1, 2, 20 times for this side. When you see the chemical at the back, you clean it immediately. When the chemical is getting dry in the surface, you reapply it immediately. Don't let it touch the back of the blade. You use some to blow it. You see, you blow it. You have sharpened for here, to and fro 20 times. Then the way we press it down here, that's application of pressure to make your to and fro have to be the same with here. Then you have to go the same 20 to and fro here again. Question balance. Then you use this side of the stone. You divide the stone into two, you use the right hand side. That is 20 times. Then let me first show you before I clean it. You see, let me clean it now. Let me come back to the back of the camera. You see it now? If you observe very well, you can see that the same result we get from the glass is the same, still the same result we get from the super hard manual sharpening stone. Now you can see the total flatness and total shining across. You see it? You see it now? So that is why I'm saying we use the same. I use the same method for all. When you have finished sharpening, you place it in this way. You open the surface down. You see like that. So let us go for the bottom clipper blade. This bottom clipper blade now, I will now use this smooth surface. I want to use squash. This one is smooth surface. Let me cool it. Then I want to use this. This is squash surface. Let me see whether it's showing in the. Oh, I must readjust the camera again. I must readjust it for you to see it properly. Well. For you to see it well, I must readjust it. You see like that. Then now this one now we are not going to use special stone. We are going to use biscuit bone, oil and kerosene for the quash. Number one, you clean it just little like this. Then you apply your oil. After the oil, you use your biscuit bone. You hold it, put it on top of another stone to make it steady. You see like this. You see the surface of this one. You return it back. After you now apply kerosene, but this time we not use our hand to spread. We blow it. We use our mouth to breathe it. You see it now. Everything has covered up now. It has covered up. Then we will now calculate for angle again. I've shown you how we calculated it here for the first time of sharpening this upper clipper blade. Now the same method we are going to use. You divide the stone into two, half part for half part of the stone, half part of the blade for the second half part of the stone. This one now we went, the upper clipper blade, we went to and fro 20 times here. We went to and fro 20 times here, 20 times here. For this upper clipper blade now we are going 30 times here, 30 times here. The same type of pressure you do for here, you still have to repeat the same type of pressure here. Number of to and fro 30 times here have to be the same here, to and fro 30 times again. Let us go. That is 30 times. When you see the solution at the back, immediately don't waste your time because it will spoil the masking tape. Then it's getting dry now. You reapply immediately. Don't let it soak the blade. You blow it. You blow it. Yeah, it's covered up now. Then we have sharpened for here with little pressure. Then to and fro counting 30 times. Then we divide this stone into two. We use this side of the stone to sharpen. Now we divide the clipper blade into two. We have sharpened here, remain here now. Then we divide the stone into two. We use the remaining half by the right hand side. That is 30 times here. Then immediately you clean. Let me leave it before. Let me get it closer to the camera just to show you. You can see the way it is now. Let me clean it in your presence. Let us clean it. Once you zoom out, small bend like this, something will be falling out. You can see it now. That is the way you follow your sharpening. So let me return this one. Then this chemical should not waste. Let me pack it on the surface. Let me put this one here, this one here. Let me pack it on the surface. It should not waste. The chemical should not waste at all. So you might be thinking their faces are the same. They are different too. This is smooth, this is normal, this is squash. I've not been using this one. It has been a long time I use it. So small time now we are going to use it. Let me readjust the camera again. So we are closing for today. We are closing. We try our best today. What we have taught today is how to sharpen a set of clipper blade on the glass method. You have Atifa or him. Then secondly, how to sharpen a set of taper clipper blade on the smooth and the quartz surface stone. Those are the things we do with full explanation. Thank you. Any question for me? Let me just stay a minute or two. If you have any question for me, you can ask me. So when you use your masking tape finish, you return it to where you pick it, so that to put it, let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm doing. So you see it like this. You put it under safe. You see like this, so that the gun will last for you. I do my own things with full sense. You see it now. So there's no any question. So we are bringing the life to our hand. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching my program. So still be expecting us by the grace of God next time. Bye.